Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Go Colorado. I'm your host, Shellene Cockrel. If you ride a motorcycle, I have someone in the studio this morning that you need to know. With me is Tom Metier, a well-known trial attorney who partnered with the American Association of Injury Attorneys and brought Law Tigers to Colorado. So glad to have you here.
So good to be here, Shellene.
Now, who is Law Tigers, and how did you become involved in helping injured motorcyclists in particular?
Well, I've been a lifelong motorcyclist myself, and when I was about 22 years old, I was going down the highway when I got a car in front of me came out, and I hit it doing about 55. I fortunately had a helmet on. It probably saved my life that day. I didn't have anybody in that little community out in Illinois to help me talk to doctors, to help me figure out what to do with my bike. And out of that experience, I decided I was going to become a lawyer and help people that were on motorcycles and other people that got hurt.
And then Law Tigers came around.
Many years later, actually, Law Tigers came because of my work in brain injury and had heard about us and asked us to represent motorcyclists in the Colorado and Wyoming area, and I just loved it, the whole idea, so we jumped right on it.
Most motorcyclists have heard of Law Tigers as the injury lawyers who ride, but can you also tell us a little bit more about Law Tigers that people may not know?
Well, we're so proud of the fact that we partner with hundreds of organizations in the state to provide benefits and work with charities. Motorcyclists as a group are such a dynamic family, and so to be able to harness that energy and help them put on their benefits and their poker rides and those things to help places like Children's Hospital is just a privilege.
So it's much broader focus that you have than just those who are injured. You're really about the whole motorcycle community and a lot more.
Absolutely. We're riders, we're members of the community, and we want to maximize the enjoyment everybody has in their safety too. That
is great to hear. And you also offer a really great thing to bikers. It's the Biker Benefit Card. Tell me a little bit about that.
The Biker Benefit Card is free, but every biker should have one in his or her wallet, so that if you go down, first responders will know that they can get information about you on a website that you put in there confidentially yourself, and it will provide the kind of information you would want to tell your doctors, but you may not be able to speak for yourself. And obviously you can also call us. We'll immediately come and investigate, help recover your bike, do the things you need to be safe at a time when you really need help.
So Law Tigers are available for you 24/7. You can have that Biker Benefit Card by logging on to lawtigers.com, or you can call them at 1-800-LAW-TIGERS, and that's something that you should definitely get in your wallet today for those types of situations. Now, few safety tips for motorcyclists first if they're on the road.
You bet. We want to be vigilant when we're riding. Keep your motorcycle maintained, very well maintained. Always wear proper safety gear. When crossing intersections, look both ways for inattentive drivers. Watch your rear view mirror when stopped to avoid rear-end collisions, and leave yourself a place to escape if you see one coming. Ride defensively. Motorists often have a slow reaction time because a motorcyclist is not always seen.
That's it. They don't always see you. So quick now for the car drivers who need to watch out for motorcyclists. Some tips for you.
Number one, of course, is to look for motorcyclists. Assume a motorcyclist if you see one is closer than he looks. Increase the following distance 3 to 4 seconds. Watch out for motorcyclists at intersection. And please realize that motorcyclists often make lane adjustments or changes to avoid debris so that they'll be safe.
And remember, Law Tigers are the ones you should have in your pocket. Check out that Biker Benefit Card at lawtigers.com. Go Colorado is a paid advertisement. If you missed any part of today's segment, you can log on to KKTV.com and click on GoCo.